Looking to boost your email marketing? Try these tips. Before marketing with email, be sure that you know what you are doing. Eluding junk mail filters and making sure your messages are actually read are critical tasks, but are there ways to enhance the effectiveness of your communications? Keep watching for great email marketing advice. You, or someone else, should proofread your email before you send it to customers. Ensure that it is free from typographical and grammatical errors. You should also make certain that the message flows easily. By checking these 3 issues are addressed, your email marketing will have a professional appearance. When following up to your customers via email, you could try following up with some kind of reminder. For example, you could add a Visit Today button onto your ad. In addition, the closing of the postscript could inform your customers to make sure they do not disregard the CTO. To get people to opt in and give permission for you to send email marketing messages to them, offer an incentive. Offer a discount or a coupon on one of your products or services. Include a white paper or newsletter about your niche or market. Give your prospect something in return for access to their inbox. If you have images or graphics, put them on the left side of the email message. Make sure that your call to action element is always on this side. Research has documented that this location produces almost double the number of clicks to your product, service or website than placing these elements anywhere else does. Include a link at the bottom of any marketing emails that allows people to unsubscribe easily. If someone does not want to receive your messages, providing a simple way for them to unsubscribe is preferable to ending up in their spam folder. It will also help to protect your reputation as a business that respects its customers. Make sure your emails are consistent with any branding you have done. You should be including your company colors, logos, and anything else unique to your business in your emails. Customers should be able to recognize your emails when they arrive in their inboxes so that they are not automatically deleted. If you use images in your email newsletters, put text to the right of the images. Research shows that customers are far more likely to click on a link or button that is placed to the left of an image than one that is placed anywhere else on the page. Your email should be readable sans images. Many email providers disable images by default, and unless the user changes their settings, they will not be able to see any images you include. Because of this, any images you include in the emails that you send should also be followed by comprehensive text. The tips you just read constitute a simple guide to take an email marketing campaign from borderline spam to effective and profitable in no time. Use them with anything you currently have going on, or create a brand new campaign, and you will be amazed at the results. Now that you got a clear knowledge about email marketing, are you ready to start? Please don't start without my full free training on email marketing. I will offer you a full $97 training for free just to make sure you succeed. Say thank you by subscribing to my channel and by liking this video. Click the link in the description to access my free full training on email marketing.